Like it or not, a lot of times folks, homeowners especially, they think there's quote unquote nothing wrong with their home. But from a marketing standpoint, they haven't marketed homes enough to be able to understand. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jerry McManus from Keller Williams here again. And I wanted to discuss when you're anticipating on coming onto the market. And I mean this like, say for the sake of argument, you want to sell your home in September. It's going to be very important that you and I have a discussion in March about that. And the reason I say that is because one of the things a lot of folks may or may not appreciate is that small investments can yield very large returns when selling one's house. And here's an idea that a lot of people are able to wrap their minds around. It's the idea of curb appeal. So when we take a look at curb appeal, we understand that the house is going to look pleasant from the curb, hence the definition. But one of the things that folks sometimes fail to realize is that that never stops. So what we want to do is that we want to be able to appeal to sight, sound, and smell in the house as we go along. The importance of being able to meet several months out so that I can come by with a unbiased view, unvarnished view of your home. Like it or not, a lot of times folks, homeowners especially, they think there's quote unquote nothing wrong with their home. But from a marketing standpoint, they haven't marketed homes enough to be able to understand what the tastes are in the marketplace. And are there investments that we can make in both time and effort to be able to return an investment so that you're spending $1 to get 10? And let me ask you a question. If I could say that you can spend $1 to get 10, how many times do you want to do it? That's what I thought. You want to do that as many times as possible. That sometimes we'll go out when we buy our house, say 20 years ago, and we have all these nice little plants planted all over the yard. Well, over 15 or 20 years, those little plants turn into, yes, you guessed it, big plants. And all of a sudden, when I've seen, because I've been at some folks' houses recently where you can't really get to the front door because stuff has been overgrown. This is going to be something that you hire somebody for a few days to trim everything back. Boom, everything changes regarding the house. Because what you're doing, the person that is looking to buy your house doesn't want to see small project after small project after small project after small project that they have to do in order for them to fully enjoy the home that they're looking to spend $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 on. By having this conversation a little ahead of time, my unbiased view of being able to come through your house and my experience in dealing with hundreds and hundreds, maybe thousands of people over the years, what are they saying about a home that turns them off? That is being brought to bear so that those things could be addressed. Overgrown gardens near the door, big one. Chipped paint, another big one. This is one of those things, though small, it can yield outsized results for either the effort that's put in or the money that's invested in that. So there's plenty of other ideas that I'd have. Love to be able to sit down and talk to you about that. And by all means, feel free to contact with me. But whatever you do, call me several months in advance so that you'll also get the time to be able to do those things, to be able to bring your house on the market with this complete package done. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.